So I'm starting with my NYX eyeshadow base. I like this because it leaves my eyes a little, like almost white, and that's good for having pigment show up on my skin. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush on the Juvia's Place palette in the shade Morocco as a nice transition shade for the other shadows that I will put down. And then I'm going in with this Morocco color, which is the bright orange color in that Juvia's Place palette. I think it's a Nubian too. Just sweeping that all over my lid, and then I'm going in with the red orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. The dense brush, just kind of really packing in the color because I want it to look like a nice, bright, vivid orange look when I'm done. Now I'm putting more of the eyeshadow base on my lid for the color that I'm going to put on my lid. Just blending that out on my lid. And then putting on this mustard shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's kind of a lackluster shade, to be honest. I was kind of struggling to have the yellow really show on my skin. So as you'll see in the next clip, I tried with my fingers too, and it was struggling. So I'm back to blending out everything, blending in the orange with the yellow a little bit, just making sure I don't have any harsh lines. I just kind of wanted to do eyeshadow looks that are no lash friendly. So now to my base. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C16. It's kind of close to my skin tone, so it almost acts as a foundation. And then I'm putting the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso under my eyes. I actually don't really like the Makeup Revolution concealer on my skin. I feel like it's a little too dry for my skin. I just don't feel like it looks very nice. So if I was doing this again, I would not use that. I would just use one of the foundations that I trust, like Fenty or Estee Lauder. But it's a good affordable option. And always remember you can use your concealers as foundation. And then going in with the shade C18. If you can tell, it's very red, so it's very good for adding a little bit of warmth to my skin. So I did my mascara off camera because it just takes too long to do. So I put on a bunch of mascara, and then I'm putting the orange shade in my lower lash line and then fixing up the yellow too. Then I just go on powder my face down with Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just fixing mascara smudges and that kind of thing, adding a little blush, and then I will go on to put on some lip gloss, and we're done.